Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Saving a column from a dataset into a Python variable is a common task in data analysis and manipulation. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to achieve this using the popular pandas library, which is widely used for working with structured data in Python. If you haven't installed pandas yet, you can do so using the following command. Once pandas is installed, you can import it into your Python script or Jupyter Notebook. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume you have a dataset in a CSV file called example.csv. You can read the dataset into a pandas data frame using the pdread_csv function. Now, let's say you want to save a specific column, let's call it column_name, into a Python variable. You can do this by using square brackets to access the column and assign it to a variable. Replace column_name with the actual name of the column you want to save. This will create a pandas series, which is essentially a one-dimensional labeled array, and assign it to the variable selected _column. If you prefer to work with a NumPy array or a regular Python list instead of a pandas series, you can convert it using the following. Now, you have successfully saved a column from your dataset into a Python variable, and you can perform further analysis or manipulations as needed. Remember to replace example.csv with the actual path to your dataset and column_name with the name of the column you want to save. ChatGPT. Title: How to save a column in a Python variable, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In data manipulation and analysis using Python, it's common to work with datasets stored in various formats like CSV, Excel, or databases. Quite often, you may find yourself needing to extract and save a specific column from a dataset into a Python variable for further processing. This tutorial will guide you through the process of saving a column from a dataset into a Python variable using the popular pandas library. Prerequisites. Before you start, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You'll also need to install the pandas library, which can be done using the following command. Step 1. Import the pandas library. Begin by importing the pandas library, which provides powerful data manipulation tools in Python. Step 2. Load the dataset. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume you have a CSV file named example.csv with multiple columns. Use the pdread_csv function to load the dataset into a pandas data frame. Step 3. Choose the column to save. Identify the column you want to save into a Python variable. For demonstration, let's assume the column is named target_column. Step 4. Save the column into a Python variable. Use the following code to save the specified column into a Python variable. Now, the data from the target_column is stored in the variable selected_column, and you can perform various operations on it. Step 5, optional, convert the variable to a list or NumPy array. If needed, you can convert the variable to a Python list or a NumPy array for further processing. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to save a specific column from a dataset into a Python variable using the pandas library. This process is crucial for extracting and working with specific data points in your analysis or machine learning tasks. Feel free to adapt the code examples to your specific use case and dataset. ChatGPT.